Hi, it's Clare Maxfield here from Image Innovators, and this week's topic I'm going to share with you what to do with your hands on a Zoom call. So I was presenting recently and someone said to me, how do I know what to do with my hands? Well, as you would have seen in an earlier video, if you've got a virtual background on, you certainly don't want them out there because they'll disappear. But you don't want them sitting down here because then you just become a talking head, kind of like a newsreader, which is fine if you want to get the news across. But if you want to look warm and welcoming, you do need to use your hands. Now, for those of you out there who are very adept at using your hands, in fact, to the point where you use them all the time, you're always talking and very demonstrative, it can be a little bit too much, and it's a bit like, oh, where are we meant to be looking? And if you just sit there holding them here like this, you either look like you're praying or absolutely frightened out of your wits, which could be one and the same. Sitting down here, I've mentioned what it's like. So if you can, just have them up a little bit in screen and just use them for making emphasis. But if that's too hard, grab something to play with. Even if it's you just have your pen and you hold it while you're talking, and then you might open up and come back. Open up and come back. I had this thought. These are the things you want to be aware of. So use your hands somewhat to give energy to what you're saying and make you look alive and make you look interesting, and bring them in when it gets exciting and keep them still when you just want to have something said. But whatever you do not point unless you are talking to them. You. So that's what you do with your hands. So don't keep them out of view because it looks a bit too weird, and don't start doing jazz hands with them. We know it can be exciting, and for those who are dancers, you can become very colorful, but just keep them within the frame of where you're working, and it will just add a little bit of panache to your talk rather than overtaking or disappearing. I hope you're enjoying these weekly tips on business color and style. Subscribe if you want to make sure you don't miss out on any. And if you're interested in becoming an image consultant doing like what I do, drop me a line or go across to our website, imageinnovators.com, and you can see more about what we get up to. Hope you're having a fabulous day, and bye for now.